Okay, it is Saturday, September 7th, 2019. It's about 11:40 p.m. or so. We're here at the La Quinta Inn in Guthrie, Oklahoma. We haven't been here since 2017. Last year, when we came up here, we stayed at the Hampton Inn across the street. So yeah, here's these Rheems again. Alright, so 2015 5-ton for this one. Doesn't seem to have been running. This is a 3-ton for 2015. Very cold and sweaty. It's kind of warm. And 2015 3-ton. Yeah, the Hampton Inn, they had Rheems just like this and a couple of Friedrich mini splits. We are going there in about 3 weeks, so I'll film those again. Emerson Copeland scroll compressors. So, alright, and then there's more on the other side of the hotel I'm going to go to now. Here's another one right here. I actually got busted while filming this one in 2017, but the guy that busted me let me see the air handler, so that was kind of nice of him, obviously. Alright, 2015, that's a 5-ton. There's one over there, and then the 3 that are on the other side were all off, so I didn't bother filming those. I'll film them another time. That's pretty cold. Felt colder though, so yeah, I might try and film those other 3 on the other side tomorrow morning. Not sure, we'll see. But yeah, I guess if not, then over and out.